Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and today I would like to share a recipe from Hungary. I'm preparing it at the moment behind me, but I will show you how I prepared it earlier and how I am cooking it. It is called Krumpli teszta. So basically, this is uh, a simple dish that is delicious. I really love it. Whenever my husband grandmother made it for me, it was always perfect for the lunch or dinner. Basically, this is like a mashed potato that you then add it to a pasta. Normally they use like egg noodle pasta or curly pasta, and some people would use macaroni, but I don't have any of those today, so I'm gonna use broken spaghetti for this one. I'll see you soon. Check out the full video. Bye. So here we go. Krumpli testa. Well, broken spaghetti. Krumpli. Hungarian inspired. So what I have here is about 4 small to medium size of potato, and then we're gonna use about quarter if not half of this onion, and then about 3 to 4 of garlic. We're just gonna peel them, and we're gonna cube the potatoes. We're gonna chop the onion and garlic. So just dice them or chop them and then put it on a non-stick pan. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna saute the onion and garlic with 2 tablespoons of margarine, butter, or even oil. And if you don't want any fat, if you don't want any fat, just use 2 tablespoons of water. We're gonna saute it until fragrant before we add the cubed potatoes. That it's smelling lovely. Add in the cubed potatoes, and then you want to add about quarter cup of water, and then top the pan with the lid. We're gonna cook it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes until soften before we add seasoning. So we're gonna bring a pot of water to boil, and inside it I added some salt, just to taste, and a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're gonna bring this to boil, and then we're gonna break apart the spaghetti. I know the recipe is supposed to use egg noodle or any other kind of pasta, but I don't have. I have tons of spaghetti, so spaghetti it is, and we're gonna boil it until al dente. So what I did, I set the timer to 7 minutes. I said it's 15 to 20 minutes, but I set the timer to 7 minutes. Then I prepared the pasta, so it will be done at the same time. So after the 7 minutes, you check if you need more water. If you need more water, add a little more water, another quarter cup, and then set the timer again for 7 minutes. So they will be done at the same time. And here are the broken spaghetti. This should be enough for 2 to 3 servings. Water is boiling. Just drop in your broken spaghetti, and you want to cook it until al dente, about 7 to 10 minutes. Now we're just gonna stir it a little, and maybe put it back on high so the liquid kind of gone, but we're gonna start seasoning it. This is Vegeta powder. And I'm gonna add paprika powder. And I'm just gonna mix it. And once the liquid's gone, we're gonna mash it. And if you want, you can also add a little black pepper, but I prefer with white pepper powder. Or you can omit all the peppers, it's fine. You can also, while drying the liquid a pad, you want to start mashing them, you can use fork or potato masher, or if it's really tender, you can even use your spatula. That's the timer for the pasta. So we're gonna mash this and mix in the pasta. You might want to carefully do this, because not with the fork, if you're using fork, because it's a non-stick pan, so we don't want to scratch the pan, right? So just add in the pasta and then start mixing it. And Krumpli teszta is ready. So here is Krumpli teszta, and if you have parsley, it would be nice to top it with, or green onion.